Well, I'm here in the Jowett, and I have some weird stuff going on. Starting with, it all started with the brakes. So I turned the key on. You can hear the electric fuel bump going on in the background. And side lights off. Press the brake pedal, and the panel lights light up. And I also noticed that you can't see it from here, not in the lit room, but all the side lights come on when I do that too. So I'm thinking, well, maybe the brake lights are wired to the side lights and vice versa, or something's off. It's crossed up there. But then I've also noticed if I have these side lights on, so the panels came up, and I press the brake pedal again, I don't know if you can hear the fuel pump, but suddenly my ignition light comes on. And if I let off the brakes, that circuit's no longer fed. Lights are all still on. So I definitely have a few wires crossed up, I'm guessing from back when the previous owner added blinkers, flashing indicators to the car. On the positive side, we do have, I have to turn the key on, we do have the flash indicators, and you can hear, these are the two flashers that are everything's all wired up to the trafficator signal. So maybe I caused this problem through that, but I really don't think so on that front. But you can actually see the flashing indicators in the MGB's headlight, I think. So that's all working. The watch mechanism in here times out like it's supposed to. You can hear it in the background, hopefully. And I'm pretty happy with that. But this weirdness with the brakes is definitely kind of strange. And last but not least, I did notice this, and it's not surprising given that the ignition switch light comes on. So, foot in the brake, it's running, foot's on the brake, turn the key off, nothing. Let my foot off the brake, and we're done. So, gonna have to troubleshoot that here in a little bit.